Right guys, now this TradingView Indicator that you can actually get for free trial is changing the game the way people are trading. Now this indicator not only gives you the buys and the sells, but it tells you where to put the stop losses and even gives you an inkling of where to put your take profits. Now, if you don't believe me, stay tuned. I'm going to be breaking it down for you. Before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, what you can see here is I've got the indicator up. It's called the signaler. Okay, so the signaler, nice and simple. As you can see, this is what you will be presented when you load it up. Okay, so what this means may look confusing, but I'm going to be showing you exactly in the simplest way possible. Okay, so when you get this signal of a short means to sell. Okay, so that gives you the arrow of where to put it. So we put it right on the close of that candle. And then the stop loss will go at that red line. Put it on the red line because that is telling you where the stop loss is. Okay, so the stop loss for the short would be on the red line. And then for your take profits, we can either target it, say 2. So if you want a 1 to 2, that means if you're risking 1%, you'll make 2% back. You can put it there. Or if you're targeting, say, fair value gaps, which will be this period here. This is a stage in the market where it hasn't visited. So there, bang, we would have done that. That would have been a 1.1, so a 1 to 1. Or we can target the lows. What I also like to do to use this indicator is I kind of monitor it. So if it's giving me a short signal, I'll personally wait until it then gives me a buy signal. Now, buys are longs. So if I show you a buy, this buy on Bitcoin would have been incredible. So what we can see here is this is on the daily time frame, Bitcoin / US dollar. So we would have taken a buy off of this long signal. Like I said, the blue arrow will give you the buy. Now with buys, which is a long, we would put it on the blue line. The blue line's below. So if this market then comes down and touches or goes below this blue line, that's when we would lose the trade. However, we did go in a bit of drawdown, but as it's showing you, it then rocketed all the way up when Bitcoin did that all-time high, which as you can see would have made you 5.37%. So if you were to risk $1,000, you would have made $5,300. Now, as you can see, this is very simple. Now, I'm going to be total transparent. This doesn't always work. Okay, so if you find an indicator or a influencer telling you that this TradingView indicator or their plan or their strategy is 100% successful, guess what? It's a scam. Okay, so what we can see here with this long, this one here, we would have done it at the arrow. Stop loss would have been down below. You could have targeted that, but it's a very small entry. However, if we would have even taken on the short signal, we would have taken like a 0.5% loss. However, if you're taking every signal, then this one would have obviously made your money and more. But just to show you another one, we've got another long here, which is nice and simple. Put it on the arrow, stop loss on the blue line, and then we target. If you want to target a nice healthy 3%, it would have done it within a week. We've got a short here. This one looks like it would have hit stop loss again because we've gone above that red line. There's some examples for you. Now, if you are looking to set up the alerts, which I do highly recommend because it will notify you on your phone no matter what you're doing, a lovely little alert. If you haven't had a TradingView alert before, be prepared because it sets you on edge. You think something's massive is happening, which obviously if you get the signal, it will be. All you have to do is right click on one of the labels, add alert, then press create. Nice and simple. And then every time one of these little symbols come up, you will be alerted, whether it's on the PC, tablet, or your phone. And then you can catch some of the unreal moves like this one here of 5%. Now, obviously, how do you purchase this? How do I get this free trial? Okay, so you want to head on over to buy_thesignaler_bot. Link will be down in the description for you to grab that. Now, the button will be there, but obviously I've done it a couple of times. So you want to press start. That's /start. Then you will be given these different options. 1 day free is nice and simple. It explains that you get this for 24 hours. Full access, you can see it working, back test it, do everything you can. Even take a trade if the signal is there for you. However, what I did was the lifetime plan. Okay, so you want to click on lifetime or monthly if it's your choice, then click to pay by crypto. Now, once you've got on this, it will automatically come up with the exact amount you need to send. So if you do have a lot of Bitcoin, you can simply press BTC, which is Bitcoin. It's telling you it's going to be 0.00369. Okay, we click on that And then what it does is it gives you the confirmation. Now, once you press confirmation, you press buy now. And then you can see not enough coins to pay the invoice. Buy coins via PTP market, swap coins via exchange, or use the address below, deposit coin. Okay, this is what I did. So you want to make sure that the network is the exact one. This is the contract address. Simply click it. As you can see, text copy to clipboard. Then head on over to your wallet and paste that contract address, making sure it's Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, and then send in 0.003969 to the address above. Otherwise, your coins may be lost. However, once they receive your payment, you will then be given lifetime access to this signaler indicator. Right, guys, there we have it. That is the TradingView, the signaler indicator, which will change your trading game. Let's be honest, one alert on your phone and you literally set up the signal. Remember, stop loss above for a sell, stop loss below for a buy. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.